Welcome to AI Content Cache Creator, the future of AI-powered digital content creation and marketing. We have been in the content creation game for a lot of years now. And in our extensive experience, we've learned that being successful at this takes a lot of hard work and dedication. If you've got the time, the funds, the skills, and the dedication, then you're fine. But what about those people who don't have all that? Well, don't worry, because those are the people that will benefit the most from AI Content Cache Creator. You see, we have created an AI-infused formula that shows you how to do absolutely everything from scratch. We show you exactly how to create your very own high-quality digital products, totally from scratch, all using the power of AI. We show you exactly how to prepare your new products for sale with sales pages, download pages, etc. Again, this is all done using the power of AI. And we show you exactly how to get your new product for sale on the Warrior Plus platform. And this can be applied to any product that you create or own. By creating your own products from scratch, you essentially own them. This gives you a lot more earning potential when selling them, because you control the price and what rights you offer with them. The more rights you offer when selling them, the more value they are worth. Let me explain. To be at the very top of the tree, you need to 100% own the product. This is also referred to as white label rights. Below that, you have private label rights, or PLR. Then you have master resale rights, and then resale rights. So we've established that you need to create your own products from scratch. But if you're not an expert copywriter, graphic designer, marketing expert, research expert, and you don't have a team of pros around you, and you don't want to spend thousands on development costs while learning how to do all of this yourself, then you really need as close to a done for you as you're ever going to get. You need an AI-infused formula, and that's exactly what you get with AI Content Cache Creator. Our AI Content Cache Creator formula allows you to effortlessly create your own digital products using AI technology that are ready to sell, complete with sales pages, and added to the Warrior Plus platform. Here's what we'll be providing with our AI Content Cache Creator system. Step-by-step training to create your own professional digital products with AI. Step-by-step training to create high-converting product sales pages with AI. Product squeeze page templates using our Easy Page Builder. Product download page templates using our Easy Page Builder. Joint venture partner page templates using our Easy Page Builder. Step-by-step training to get your product added to the Warrior Plus platform, plus a whole host of marketing tips and techniques along the way. So if you're interested in creating your very own ready-to-sell products that you 100% own, complete with sales pages and added to the Warrior Plus platform, along with the blueprints to duplicate this as many times as you like, effectively giving you a business like ours that took us 18 years to perfect and has made us over $1 million. Then you need to grab this with both hands right now before we come to our senses and either pull the entire thing or we start selling this for big money.